Hi, I'm Seng. So today I will elaborate and brief you about the package of standard plan and the premium plan of the FeedMe. Thank you. Always refer to the latest version of our FeedMe catalog. So FeedMe divided into two plans, which is the standard plan and the premium plan. So for the standard plan, including for the first time for the on-site training and the installation, and will help customer to set up their first menu setup, which means that you need to request the menu from customer or in Excel or PDF. Then our sales team will help register their FeedMe account and key in into their FeedMe menu. Then for the second is, we also provide for the online customer service start from 7 AM to 10 PM every day, including the public holiday. So for the function, for the standard plan is included the FeedMe POS software, which allow the cashier or boss for their daily operation. Then for the user FeedMe apps, which is like this software or apps that can allow their customer to sign in to check their details or order their food or delivery. Then for the e-wallet payment, which is it can link it with the FeedMe. So FeedMe, you can using their device or tablet or the scanner box to scan the customer QR code for do the payment. So the charges will be here. So here's the rate. So the NFC means that you can tap using the debit card or credit card, and that device must support the NFC, which is this Xiaomi G3 Pro with the dual screen or the Xiaomi V3 Mix. Then the second one is the e-wallet. So pay at counter charge 1% means that if customer come here and show their QR code and we are using the device camera or scanner box to scan their QR code, then in the FeedMe system it will auto do the payment, so it will charge for 1%. So for the online 2%, which means that if customer click on the link like this and they do the payment online, then they will charge 2% of payment gateway and they will receive their payment after 3 working days. So for the FeedMe Express means that FeedMe got signed the agreement with the Food Panda rider, which is called as the Panda Go service. They will help the merchant to send their food and will charge for 8%. For example, let's say today my food is 10 ringgit. So I will receive 9.2 ringgit and others delivery charges will bear by their merchant's customer. So for the more details, you can refer to here. 8% charges and delivery fee bear by customer. Then the QR ordering means that you have a QR code and stick on the table and customer can scan and taking order. So for the standard CRM, later I'll review on it. And the stock inventory, you can have your own inventory management by purchase or stock out also can. And you have an online report, which is you can access in the portal to check your sales or do your menu or membership, report, inventory, mini program or payment. For the attendance means that you can log into the system, so you can clock in, clock out. Let's say for example, so admin will clock in at this time. Also can clock out to have your clock in, clock out report. Then for offline mode means that this system can use without internet. And employee management means that you can set the role for your staff. You can set the role and permission, let's say the checkout or cancel bill and all these things, report or the setting access. Then you also can link with accounting software. So currently you can link with AutoCount, SQL, Zero, Buku and BigStory. Then subhost times 2, which means that let's say this is your main device, then you can link for subhost for 2 devices. So main device you can do for the checkout bill and order. Then this sub device also can set for order or as a sub counter also. So maximum you can have 3 device order at the same time, or you can set like 1 counter or 2 ordering device. And lastly, it will support the e-invoice, which is the standard and consolidated. For the e-invoice standard, the receipt will have a QR code, customer scan and claim it. For the consolidated, it will auto submit on 2nd of the next month. So for the premium, it includes everything in standard and it will add on more such as the subhost will be unlimited. And they will have a delivery platform integration, which is the GrabFood, ShopeeFood and Foodpanda. So which means that when the GrabFood receives the order, automatically it will notice in the FeedMe POS and it will print out the order in the kitchen printer. And only Foodpanda, it will charge 260 per year. So for the order display system means that just like you go to the T-Life or Chagi, you have a TV to show that the order to be collect or the order are still in preparing. So for the kitchen display means that it support for the tablet for you to do the marking, let's say which order or which table of the food has been prepared or ready to be collected, just like in the McDonald's that you see. So for the Food Market Hub, normally it's used in West Malaysia because the Food Market Hub, it allows for merchant to connect with the suppliers for order their ingredient or packaging and others. For more, you can refer to the Food Market Hub website. Then more integration means that because in some mall, they will check on their merchants' sales and have the overriding of few percent. So FeedMe will do the free more integration for the merchants and also support for invoice as well. Furthermore, there will be a inventory plan which is charged in a year, allow you to put the costing. So for our tablet set, the 3004 is included the software already. For the package A, you have one tablet holder, the router, drawer and printer. The reason that the router exists is because the tablet don't have a USB port to connect. So from the printer, we'll have a LAN cable connect to the router, and the drawer will have a cable connect to the printer. So the tablet need to connect the Wi-Fi of the router to control printer and drawer. So the package B for this V3 Mix, the pros is very portable. You can attach out and bring it there. But the drawback is it cannot auto cut the thermal paper, so you need to peel by yourself. So for the package C, it is a bigger size of the single screen device, and this one is a dual screen which have a customer display. So here's the features between the standard and premium. So for the CRM, it divided into two plans, which is the standard CRM and premium CRM. If you are standard plan user, you will get expensive if you subscribe for the premium CRM. But if you are the premium plan user, if you subscribe for premium CRM, you will get much more cheaper. So for the FeedMe online order, it divided into three parts, which is the dine-in, pickup and delivery. So for the dine-in, it allows for queue system, which is you can pre-order and you will get the SMS reminder. Then the QR order, which is the QR code stick on the table for you allowed to take order, and the waiter device, which is the sub post that I mentioned just now. For the standard plan is 2 and for the premium plan is unlimited. So for the pickup, you can use the FeedMe apps or the website for taking order by pickup delivery, or also can scan for QR ordering. Then for the delivery, you can order in the website by in-house rider or Pandago. So Pandago, just like I mentioned, is charged by 8% per transaction, and also can link with the delivery platform only for the premium plan. I'll show you an example. So one of our customers, our tasty hot pot, you will customize the button as a start order. When you click it, you will go to the FeedMe website for taking order. You can log in, you can order for delivery or pickup. So for the last 2 pages of the catalog, you can refer to have an idea on the FeedMe membership features to apply in your business. That's all for today. Thank you.
So cari POS System, cari Seng.
Find Guinness Phone, find Seng.
Seng.
找POS System, 找Seng.